Well, there's the end of Pinky.
Oh, no, it ain't.
It sure wants to go. Get it now! No, probably not, huh? Get it, get it! Oh, yeah! Come back home. Oh, there's another crash.
You gotta do it without breaking it, Tim. You gotta make sure you shut your motor off. Whoa!
Oh, right through it. Too late, Tim.
There's still an end of it over here. There's still the end. Come through it. Wait. Let me get over here so I can see where I'm at. Come through the end of it there. Oh, shit.
Close,
That was daggone.
but no cigar.
Hold on, let go. Hold on.
He got it. That's the end of the balloon. It's all wrapped around his motor again.
Stuff on that.